right, Todd with Jeep Speed Shop. Here we got a couple frames. These are JLs. I told myself I wouldn't do this, but here we go. Gonna do it anyway. This frame is an 18-19 frame. So here's the complicated part about JLs. They're all different, not all the same. A lot of differences and a lot of things that aren't exactly the same. So, but we're starting with this. We have a JL frame. This is a 18-19 frame, and it's got like JK mounts. So these resemble a JK mount. So we have a mock-up truck Hemi bolted in with our engine mounts into this JL frame. So we got a Hemi bolted into a JL using our mounts. Now, that's the difference between these frames that I can tell at this point, okay? Those are different than, there's the frame. This is 2021 frame. So, and this one got in a little bit of accident. The frame's a little bit bent. Hence the reason why we have this frame. And so, look at these motor mounts. They're flat. So we're gonna do a little mock-up on putting a V8 into this and seeing how it fits with JL motor mounts. So they should bolt in here, be my guess. We'll find out. We're trying to see how we can do this on the cheap, put a Hemi in a JL. And so this Jeep right here had a 4-banger 2.0. So 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 8-speed. In the transfer case, that all was in this Jeep here, 2021 JL Unlimited. We're gonna see about mocking up a Hemi in it. We're gonna do it probably how it would be done from the factory. I mean, as you can see, this frame is no good. We're not using this frame. We're gonna use that frame. But this video is about motor mounts, mounting a motor, if it'll fit, what do you gotta do, what changes, what's different, how this works. I mean, this is gonna be intense because they make diesels, they make 2 liters, they make 3.6s, you know, the Eco engine and a 392, and I don't know what the difference is on the frame mounts and so on. So here's the trick, right? We're gonna find out. So we got a 18-19 frame that runs like a JK mount. And then you got a 2021 JL Unlimited frame, which runs a different mount. The rest of the frame looks the same, so that doesn't seem to be a problem. You know, the cross members and all that stuff seem to be the same. All right, well, we're gonna pull the motor out of the 18-19 frame. I'll do another video on putting the motor into this frame just for mounting purposes and ideas that this will work. And then we're all gonna decide, hey, do we put that back in? Or do we put a 392 in it? So, all right. This is part 1 of a series that's gonna keep going, I think, on how to put a Hemi in a JL on the cheap. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.